susceptance and the admittance. In AC parallel circuit, a parallel circuit is one which two or more impedances are connected in a parallel across the supply voltage. Each impedance may be separate series circuit. Each impedance is called as the branch of the parallel circuit. The figure shown parallel circuit consisting of the three impedances connected in a parallel across an AC supply of the V volt. Okay, the voltage across all the impedances is same as the supply voltage of V volt, because in a parallel circuit the voltage is same for all the impedances and current will be different for the three different impedances, like I1 for Z1, right here Z1, Z2 and Z3. Okay, so different current I1 for Z1, I2 for Z3 and I3 for Z3. Okay, now what is the admittance? Okay, and which are the two components of the admittance, and what is the unit of admittance and their component. So first, the definition of admittance. Admittance is defined as the reciprocal of the impedance. Admittance is defined as the reciprocal of the impedance, and it is denoted by the Z and measured in Siemens or mho. Consider an impedance given as Z is equals to R plus minus jx. It is the reciprocal of impedance. Okay, and it is denoted by Z, Y. It is denoted by Y and measured in mho or Siemens. Now consider an impedance given as Z is equals to R plus minus jx. The impedance is given as Z is equals to R plus minus jx. The positive sign indicate the inductive circuit and negative sign for the capacitive circuit. Now the admittance Y is equals to 1 by Z, because of it is the reciprocal of impedance. Okay, so Y is equals to 1 upon R plus minus jx. Plus is indicate the inductive circuit and negative sign is indicate for the capacitive circuit. Then next, rationalizing the above expression. This Y is equals to 1 upon R plus minus jx, rationalizing the expression. Y is equals to R plus minus jx upon R plus minus jx, R plus minus jx is equals to R plus minus jx upon R square plus x square is equals to, now we get R upon R square plus x square plus minus j x upon R square plus x square, and finally we get the R upon z square plus j x upon z square plus minus, and y is equals to g plus minus jb. Okay, where g is the conductance, and conductance is equals to, we can write here, g is equals to r upon z square, and b is the susceptance is equals to x upon z square. So r upon j square, it is the conductance, and x upon z square, it is the susceptance. Now what is the conductance? Conductance, it is defined as the ratio of resistance to the square of the impedance. Ratio of the resistance to the square of the impedance, it is called as the conductance, and the ratio of the reactance to the square of the impedance is called as the susceptance. Okay, the susceptance is said to be inductive for inductive, BL, and for the capacitive for the BC, and the sign is negative, and for the BC, that is the capacitive susceptance, the sign is positive. Okay, this is the overall concept of the AC parallel circuit. The basic concept is the what is the admittance, what is unit of the admittance, and what are the two component of admittance. First is the conductance, and second one is the susceptance. Conductance, it is denoted by the G, and it is the ratio of the resistance to the square of the impedance. And what is the susceptance? The ratio of reactance to the square of the impedance. It is called as the susceptance. In the next lecture, we learn about the what is the what is the parallel RLC circuit. Thank you.